Hello everyone, in my previous video I have talked about some issues you may face in the Adobe Acrobat Reader. And in this video I will show you an easy way how to solve the issue of black screen when you are trying to digitally sign a PDF file. See, I am getting a black screen and Adobe Acrobat Reader stops here. So what we do, we go to Edit and then Preferences, then click on signatures, and then in the first part, creation and appearance, click on more. Here we have use modern user interface. You have to uncheck this box and then click OK, and click OK again and try to sign. You see the problem is solved and you are able to sign your document without getting a black screen. I hope this video was useful. If this solved your issue, please leave a comment and say this is worth it for me. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.